Here's an original Northfield Knife Company antique hawkbill, unexcelled brand, that came in for restoration this week. You can see it has a cast brass butt cap, nice ebony handles. The hawkbill tip has been broken off. It shows some rust, some discoloration on the blade, some grind marks, dirty on the inside, lots of rust. Action isn't too good, it's pretty gummed up, but it's a good candidate for restoration. I started by cleaning out the inside of it, scouring all the gunk that was in there, cleaned up the outside, took all the marks out of the butt cap, repaired the tip, restored that, gave it a good sharpening, removed all the grind marks out of the blade, gave it a nice satin polished finish. Waxed with Renaissance wax. I always use that inside and out. And it's headed back to its owner.